In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Google Forms quickly and efficiently in just 5 minutes. Google Forms is a powerful tool that allows you to create online forms and surveys with ease, collecting data from your audience effortlessly. Let's dive right in and take you through the process step by step. To start, you'll need to access Google Drive. Simply open up your web browser and navigate to drive.google.com. This is your central hub for all of your Google files and applications. Once you're on the Drive homepage, you'll notice a tidy interface with folders and files perhaps already waiting for you. But don't be overwhelmed if it's your first time here. It's designed to be user-friendly and intuitive. Next, direct your attention to the top right-hand area of the page where you'll see a grid, commonly nicknamed the Apps button. Click on it, and a panel will appear with a variety of Google tools available at your disposal. Among these tools, you'll find Forms. It's amazing to have all these powerful applications just a click away right on your browser. Upon clicking Forms, you'll be guided to a new page, the Google Forms homepage, where you'll spot a button labeled Template Gallery. This is your treasure trove of pre-made forms for every occasion, be it event registration, feedback collection, or RSVP requests. The template gallery will significantly speed up your creation process by providing you with a starting point, sparking inspiration, and serving as a useful shortcut. Alternatively, if you're inclined to start from scratch, you can go for a blank form, which is just as easy to access. Look for the blank form button, and a fresh form template will open up, ready for you to mold into your desired structure. This approach is perfect for those who prefer to customize every element of their form or have specific questions in mind. Whether you choose a template or start fresh with a blank form, Google Forms provides you a seamless editing experience. You can add questions, modify form settings, and create a unique questionnaire tailored to your needs, all with a few clicks. Remember, the more specific and straightforward your questions, the more valuable data you'll receive. In just a few simple steps, you've navigated to Google Forms, prepared to create a customized form tailored to your needs. Whether you opt for the convenience of a template or the creative liberty of designing from scratch, you've now unlocked an efficient means to gather information digitally. Thank you for watching, and happy form creating.